I've always found that if you just work hard on something that you want to achieve, dedicate yourself to it, and set yourself goals, it just sets you up for success. My biggest influences growing up were probably my parents. When I was really little, just helping my dad work on different projects around the farm. So they kind of instilled hard work and dedication to what you're doing. And then I think just working with Dick Unruh, my high school teacher, he really got me into it. Learning how to read plans, learning how to, do the math to figure things out and plan yourself out for what you're doing. So I'd say I pulled from a lot of areas, but that was where it really started.
The ambition Dustin has is the reason he's succeeding. It takes a lot of courage and desire to move forward. He doesn't take that lightly. He goes into it full-hearted and definitely puts full effort in, and that's the key to any success.
I started competing in high school in the joinery competition. Dick Unruh, he definitely pushed me towards it, just gave me the opportunity to compete and basically laid it out that I have nothing to lose by doing it, and it's a good way to see if you enjoy it. After the first year, I realized I just loved it. So then the next year I put a lot more time and effort into it, and from there on it just grew. Just practicing or reading plans, looking at past projects, looking at other people's work to see what I would have changed or done differently. And then the next year I went into cabinet making, and I was very successful in cabinet making. I made it to nationals, and I got second in nationals. So the year after that, I made it all the way to nationals, and I won gold at nationals in grade 12. I was just on top of the world. When I moved on from there, I went into post-secondary and happened to win provincials again, and then went on to nationals and won nationals as a post-secondary cabinet maker.
Skills Canada definitely preps you for success. It's something you won't regret having on your resume. Gold medal winner at nationals is, well, something that's, when I see it on a resume, it's pretty much an instant the guy's got a job.
To me, it proved that I could compete with the people that are meant to be doing that trade, other apprentice cabinet makers. That's kind of the pinnacle of where you're supposed to compete. To me, that was just really awesome to see that, I do have the skill. I do mean to be there. So I've come full circle from competing to now being part of the PTC and helping at regionals and other various skills events. And to me, it's very important to be a part of it. Skills Canada Alberta is the best thing going for anybody that's interested in trades. And on top of that, I got so much out of Skills Alberta that I just love giving back and trying to help other students get something out of it. I think that's huge.
We strongly support people going to Skills Canada, taking their full apprenticeship training, and doing the full program.
I really learned that you get out of it what you put into it. So if you're willing to put in all the hard work and prepare for the competitions and really just dedicate yourself to it, it's about who works the hardest.